Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix for WMIC is not recognized as internal or external command in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, the case is when you try to type for CMD here, and when you click on the open, okay, and when you try to, let me just close the other window so that we can focus in this one. When you try to type for WMIC, okay, let's try again. WMIC space by OS space get name. Click the enter key. You won't be able to see, okay, the result. Instead, you will be able to get an error. So in order to fix the problem, we'll be performing a very basic step, and that is here at the button search bar and type for CMD again. Once a best match would appear, okay, which is the command prompt system, you need to click on Run as Administrator instead of Open. The reason is when you click on Run as Administrator, you would be able to make any changes, okay, and the fact is you would be able to run the WMIC command, okay. So the case is as an administrator means that you have a complete access. So anything action or any action that you would want to perform at the command prompt system will take an effect. Any command text that you would put in there will be able to process. Okay, meaning that you won't be able to get an error. So it is very important to click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to run this window as administrator. Here, try to type for WMIC space BIOS space gate name. Click enter key, and there you have it. Okay, so by that you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.